I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select an action constant contact. Give here the client ID and the client secret. So please visit the Constant Contact application. New application. Give here a meaningful application name. Choose your refresh token type. Create. Please edit it. Provide a redirect URI. Copy it from your Bid Integrations dashboard and paste it on the Constant Contact site. Copy the client ID and paste it on the integration site. Generate client secret. Copy the client secret, close and save it. Now go to your integration site and paste it. Authorize it. Allow access. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose your desired source. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features you can use, including action and conditional logic for your requirements. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the Cali Forms and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to your Constant Contact site and navigate to all contacts. Here, you can see that Constant Contact has successfully received the data. Thanks for watching.